everyone, Morgan here. We're doing a little wild foraging today. This is from the yucca plant. The yucca is pretty much in every desert, almost every desert, but you know, Mexico, you know, Texas, I've seen some in New Mexico, Arizona. Anyway, okay, so this is the yucca flower. The yuccas are blooming right now. But the whole plant, there's so many benefits. You can make cordage from it. The bottom dry bits make great fire starters. The roots make good flour, and then the flowers are edible, and then they have little fruits on them, which will come here in the next couple months, I think. And then those are edible too. So a lot of good stuff from the yucca. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be making some yucca with scrambled eggs. You know, I've seen the most common thing done with yucca flowers is to fry them, but I want to do something a little different, and I can fry them another time. There's no shortage of yucca flowers around here is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do with your yucca flowers is to throw them in boiling water. This just makes sure that it's killing any insects or anything that are on them, because insects love the yucca flowers and everything with them. So I'm just going to go ahead and boil. I'm going to take the petals off, and then I'm going to boil all the petals. Separated all the petals from, this is the main little bit that it's connected to. So this separated that. I got all these beautiful petals to work with now. There we go. It doesn't need to boil for long, just like a minute, just to make sure that anything is killed. And woo, it is fragrant. It smells delicious. So you can eat these raw, straight off. Just make sure that you kind of wipe any, you know, insects off or anything. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a try after it's been boiled, and see how it just tastes. Kind of tastes like a really mute cabbage or something. Not a ton of flavor. It's not like a regular flour that might have like a whole bunch of abundance of flavor. So it's good that you fry it or mix it up with something else. This will be like kind of like a little lettuce or spinach. That's what it's kind of going to act like in this scenario. First, eggs. If you don't have fresh eggs, powdered eggs will do just fine. Cheese, as much as your heart desires. If you don't have fresh cheese, freeze-dried or dehydrated cheese will do just fine. Bacon bits. If you don't have bacon bits, not the packet. If you don't have bacon bits, and I don't even know how you're living, so. Peppers, green peppers, red peppers, or any vegetables that you want. Any freeze-dried or dehydrated vegetables will work. All right. Now you kind of smash it down, and then you're going to put the yucca flowers on top. Just going to sprinkle it in. You chop them up a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to be flipping it a little bit. There we go. Just cook up nice and good. Alright, here's the finished product. You can definitely see the yucca in there. It's a nice little addition. You know, if we didn't have the peppers or anything, I would definitely add a lot more yucca, and then that would basically be our main vegetable there. All right, here's a good bite with a bunch of yucca flour in it. Baby Roga's starving. Okay, let's see what she thinks of the yucca. Baby Rogue approved. Looks like it. More? All right, there's a good bite.
A little bit.
That's great. It blends in just really well. It doesn't taste fragrancy or anything. It blends right in. Like I said, if I didn't have those other vegetables, this would be a great addition for just straight powdered eggs, and put it in there, and you know, so this is part of, you know, foraging and you know, adding to your food. Ooh, that's a real good piece. Kind of reminds me of like cabbage. You get the good piece. There you go. Good. Anyway, cool to forage for stuff and try stuff. I do want to try the fried yucca next time. And then some other stuff. You can make like soup with the yucca. You can make tamales, yucca flower tamales. And you know, you can basically do anything with it. Like I said, this kind of acts like a cabbage lettuce sort of thing. You just add it in there and it's delicious. Very subtle, not crazy flavored at all. Anyway, that's my video today. I hope you guys are learning about your wild edibles in your area and having fun experimenting and cooking with it. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow, preparing today. Talk to y'all later. Bye.